Hello viewers, welcome to Home Decor Haul, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see rattan mirror designs. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. Rattan is here to stay for the foreseeable, so when we spied this trendy boho style number, we got excited. You can never have too many mirrors in our look and a useful size at 50 cm in diameter. Have a look for ideas on where to use it in your home. Mirrors and hallway to hand in hand. That quick check before we go out of the door to check our lipsy in place is always worthwhile, right? They also help to bounce the light around if your hall is dark or small. To add some cohesivity, invest in a few other rattan pieces to tie in the mirror. A basket for gloves and hats, for example, or a rattan console will do the trick. Gallery walls are still all the rage, and this mirror will look fabulous grouped with 3 or 5 others. A good style tip is to always group in odd numbers as they will sit better visually. Choose other mirrors that are made from rattan too to create a statement, and they look great hung against a dark paint wall. The beauty of rattan is that it adds a warmth to an otherwise neutral or white scheme, as well as texture, of course. Both are key to creating a room that has character and interest. One of the bounces to the mirror is that it works brilliantly in both traditional and modern homes, and this makes it worth buying. Because if you change your style in a few years' time, a mirror like this will most likely still work. Hallway, bathroom, living room or bedroom. This mirror is super versatile. We love how charming it looks here, used as a dressing table mirror. The color of the rattan ties in well with earthenware accessories on the table, and it contrasts really well against the bottle green wall. And what a great idea shown here of keeping photos in the frame too. I hope this video will help you to get better ideas of wall decorating with rattan mirror. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links, and you enjoy watching the videos.